Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, so I'm gonna do a video unboxing the PlayStation Portal. Hope you enjoy. I already opened it a little bit, so you don't have to watch me struggling to open the box. But this is what the box looks like. So I'm just gonna pull it out. This is the first box that it comes in. I'm gonna play Spider-Man here. So and then you're gonna watch me struggle to open this one now. This box just slides out like this. And you can see the PlayStation. Then you can see the PlayStation logo. Let's see. And then, okay. And if I can find the right place to start peeling. This is what it looks like, and you can see the joysticks there. All of the buttons on the PlayStation controller, and it's basically the screen in between the DualSense controller. Like I've seen other creators unbox this, but I'm gonna turn it on now and see what it looks like. Okay, it looks like this when you power it on. It's just like loading. And now I'm just going to do the setup now. Let's make sure I select the right language, English, United Kingdom. I just connected it to my internet now, so I'm just going to let this update now. So you can see the terms and conditions. I'm going to press agree without reading them. Okay, it's just updating. Okay, so you can see that I managed to get it connected to my PS5, and if I do something here, it will change here, and we can go into Marvel Spider-Man 2, and it will change here. Okay. The sound is coming from here. If you can hear it, if you want to bring the camera closer. Okay. It just dropped out there because of my internet connection. You can see. Let's try. Bring the camera closer, and once the loading screen's over, and we can try some web swinging. Okay. I'm going to put it on performance mode to try and reduce like glitching and things. So I'm just going to press start now. Okay. I'm going to play on amazing and press start. Okay, you can see the first cutscene. I'm going to try some swinging, web swinging, when it decides, when it cuts to the gameplay. Okay. It's quite crisp now, and the connection, I mean, the gameplay, because my connection's better now. But I did notice that when there's poor connection, it just drops out because this is a streaming device, and the controllers on the side, they vibrate like the PS5 haptic feedback.
This tower. All units stand by. Warrant is en route.
Imagine if I missed the next time. I just mute the. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video now. So if you enjoyed, leave a like. Thank you again.